In this video, we will study about cockroach anatomy, second part, that is the circulatory system, or you can say the blood vascular system. Now let me start. Blood vascular system. Blood vascular system. As we know that the cockroaches belongs to the phylum Arthropoda, as well as we can say that they belongs to the class Insecta. So when we talk about insects or the Arthropoda, then they have the open type of circulatory system. So first of all, open circulatory system. Open circulatory system. This open circulatory system means there is blood vessels absent, means blood vessels are not present in this vascular system. So we can say that blood vessels absent. Then how the blood transported? The blood flows thoroughly into open space. Open space means the blood without any blood vessel transported into the internal space. So it is known as the open circulatory system. Now next term is the hemolymph. Hemolymph behaves like blood. Hemolymph behaves like blood, but it is not colored. It is the colorless blood. It is colorless mobile connective tissue which transport nutrients and gases, means functions like blood, but it is colorless part. So what it contains? This hemolymph contains colorless plasma. One thing, colorless plasma is present in it, and second thing, it contains hemocytes. Hemocytes means the corpuscles. We can say that these are the corpuscles. This is the composition of the hemolymph, means the hemolymph behaves like the blood and it performs all the functions of the blood in the cockroach body during the transportation, as it transport nutrient, it transport gases, as well as in the last video we have studied about how it transported, or you can say excreted, waste product from the body. So this is all about the hemolymph. Now the next third term is hemocoel. Hemo means again the term used for the blood, and the seal means the body cavity. So we can say that the body cavity which contains hemolymph in it. Hemolymph in it. This is about the hemocoel, means the body cavity of the cockroach which consists of hemolymph as well as the heart in it. It is known as hemocoel. Next term is heart. Heart is 13 chambered. 13 chambered heart is present in cockroach. It is important. How many chambered heart present in cockroach? 13 chambered heart present in the cockroach. How it is located in the entire chambers? So first, second and third, these three chambers present in thorax part, means first, second and third present in the thorax part. Then from 4 to 13 means last 10 chambers present in abdomen. last 10 chambers present in abdomen. So this is the location of the 13th chambered heart in the cockroach body. Then what is this heart? Heart is muscular tube-like structure present along mid-dorsal line of thorax as well as abdomen. Means this is the muscular long tube-like structure present along the mid-dorsal line of the thorax and abdomen. This is the basic part. Now we will start it with the diagrammatic representation. Now the next one is the structure of heart chambers. Heart chambers means how these heart chambers present in the cockroach body. So we can draw a simple diagram to show that how these chambers receive blood and empty their blood into the head sinuses. So we can draw here like this. First chamber consists of a narrow long tubular part which is named as anterior aorta. This anterior aorta is present in first chamber, means the thoracic chamber. It is present in the first chamber and it is narrow, long, tube-like structure. Narrow, long tube-like structure which is named as anterior aorta. This anterior aorta bears at its posterior side small openings which is named as ostium. So we can draw this like they are present like this, and the second chamber starts here like this. Again the third chamber and then fourth chamber and so on up to 13 chamber. The structure looks like this. So we have to label the different parts present in here. First is the anterior aorta, that is located in the first chamber, narrow long tubular like structure which passes blood to head sinus. It passes blood to the head sinus, means entire region. And this is the opening. We can show it broadly. We can like this. So we can show it this opening. These are the openings which are named as ostia, and these ostia present at the posterior part of the heart chamber. Each heart chamber bear at its posterior part there is present the ostium. These ostium receive blood from pericardial sinus, means from the entire surface, that is the body cavity. From body cavity it receives the blood from the pericardial sinus through the ostia, and these ostia are guarded by specific valves. First valve is, if we draw here, this is the valve. This is known as auricular valve. So we can say that the opening of the ostia guarded by this auricular valve, and what is its function? To check flow of blood. Means this auricular valve helps in checking flow of blood from the ostium part. Next one is when this chamber starts, means the next chamber. Then this next chamber also consists of a wall at its anterior part. It is known as ventricular valve. These ventricular valve also helps in checking flow of blood. How it helps in checking? Because all the chambers interconnected means all 13 chambers interconnected with one another, and these interconnected chamber receive blood, and after that it get pour its blood into the next chamber, and they receive the blood from the pericardial sinus. So these auricular valve as well as the ventricular valve helps in checking the flow of blood from one part to the another part. Next one is, there is present special alary muscles. We can draw here. This is the first chamber. This is second chamber. So between these, like this, there is present alary muscles like this, and these are present in pair. So we can draw also here. These are named as alary muscles, and these alary muscles are situated near the, or you can say around heart chamber. How many alary muscle pairs are present here? There are 12 pairs of alary muscles are present. How these 12 pairs? Because the chambers are 13, so they are present between one pair. First and second chamber consist of one pair of alary muscle. Then second and third chamber receives again connected to the alary muscle. So 13 chambers are containing in the cockroach heart, and the 12 pairs of the alary muscles are present here. What is the function of these alary muscles? They helps in playing a significant role in transport of blood. So this is all about the circulatory system of the cockroach. Now in the next video we will study about the respiratory system.